Question number 13 of your workbook. Function is given in SOP format. You have to convert to POS format. So we have to convert from SOP format to POS format. See, you can follow the following steps, very simple steps to convert from SOP to POS. So it is given in SOP, so you can try to find the minterms number. It is given in SOP, you can try to find minterms number. So this would become 010, this will become 100, this will become 110, and this will become 111. So now you can convert to decimal, you will get 2, 4, 6, 7. So from the given SOP, we have found the minterms number. Now we know whatever numbers are not present in minterms will definitely be max term. So max term will be 0, 1, 3, 5. Now we can convert decimal to binary. Converting decimal to binary will give me 0, 001, 011, 101. Now from the bits I will convert to variable form. Just I should know in max term or in POS 0 correspond to the normal variable. So this will become x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z complement, x plus y complement plus z complement, x complement plus y plus z complement. So we have converted the SOP format into POS format, and this is the correct answer. Last question, we converted from SOP to POS. This is just opposite pattern. We have to convert from POS to SOP. So POS is given. From the given POS, we will first try to find out the max term number. For that, we should again know in max term or POS, complement corresponds to 1. So this will become 001, this will become 011, this will become 100, and this will become 111. So now this would become 1, 3, 4, 7. Now I have max term number. Whatever numbers are missing in the max term will definitely be minterms. This is summation m. What numbers are missing? 0, 2, 5 and 6. 0, 2, 5 and 6 are your minterms. Convert these decimal into binary. So this will be 0, this will be 010, 101 and 110. Now write in the form of the variables. Now we know in minterms or SOP, 0 corresponds to complement, 1 corresponds to normal. So this will become A complement, B complement, C complement, A complement B, C complement, A, B complement C, A, B, C complement. So this is the correct SOP form of the given POS. This answer is correct. Question number 15. Minterms are given, means it is given in SOP format, and it is asked to convert to POS. We have to convert to POS. So from the given minterms, first step, find the max terms number. All the numbers missing in the minterms list will be in the max terms list. For example, 0 is missing, 3 is missing, 4 is missing. Next step, convert it to binary. 0, 011, 100. Convert to binary. Final step, convert to variables. In max terms or POS, 0 corresponds to normal, 1 corresponds to complement. So this will become x plus y plus z, x plus y complement plus z complement, this is x complement plus y plus z. Normal format will correspond to 0, complement will correspond to 1. Complement correspond to 1, 0 correspond to normal, 0 correspond to normal. These things you should make sure. Question number 16 of your workbook. Min-term expansion of this function is given. If you remember the shortcut we have developed, see, sequence is PQR. P is equal to 1, Q is equal to 1, R is missing. In this one, P is missing, Q is equal to 1, R is equal to 0. P is equal to 1, Q is missing, R is equal to 0. Complement correspond to 0, normal correspond to 1 because we are obviously in SOP format. And the missing variable corresponds to don't care. Don't care means it will be replaced with 0 as well as 1. This P and Q will not change. See, this Q and R complement will not change. This missing P will be introduced as 0 as well as 1. This P and R complement will not change. The missing Q will be replaced as 0 as well as 1. So the numbers are 6 and 7. The numbers are 2 and 6. Numbers are 4 and 6. Combinedly, I can write this is min-terms, collection of min-terms are 2, 4, 6 and 7. In your option, it is written as min-term 2 plus min-term 4 plus min-term 6 plus min-term 7. So, in this way, options are given. This is the correct option. Question number 17. SOP expression is given. You are being asked to simplify it. Simplify it means reduce it. So, we will try to reduce the expression. If you will notice, P plus Q complement is common. P plus Q complement is common and this R complement and R is distributed. So, using distributive law, we can write P plus Q complement plus R complement dot R. P plus Q plus R complement. So, this will definitely become P plus Q complement. Now, again distributive law we can apply. See, I have already told you distributive law can be most important tool in minimizing. So, please I request you to master the distributive law. You should be very good and you should be very fast in applying distributive law. Again you see this P is common. P is common and this Q complement and this Q plus R complement is distributed. So, using distributive law, this would become Q complement dot Q plus R complement. So, Q complement dot Q will become 0. So, your answer will be P plus Q complement R complement. P plus Q complement R complement, option B is correct. Question number 18 of your workbook. This table is given 3 combinations of three variables A, B and C, 8 combinations, and for all the 8 combinations output Q is given. You have to find the minimized expression for Q. So, let us try it. Let us say if I go in SOP format, I will target all the ones. In SOP format, I will target all the ones. So, this combination will give me A complement B C. This combination will give me A B complement C. This combination will give me A B C complement. And this combination will give me A, B and C. In these two, you can take AB common. In these two, you can take AC common. In these two, you can take BC common. So, this much practice you should have so that you should be able to write BC plus AC plus AB is your final answer in a single step. Option A is the correct answer. If you want some more detail, now let me show you some steps. A complement BC plus this ABC plus this term A B complement C plus again ABC plus this term ABC complement plus ABC. I have told you before also, if I need this term to minimize all the three terms, I can write this term 3 times also. Variable A can be written as A plus A. It can also be written as A plus A on your requirement. So, minimizing these two will give me BC, minimizing these two will give me AC, minimizing these two will give me AB. So, your answer is AB plus BC plus AC. Also, I have told you before, majority function. If you can notice from your table, your output is 1 only when at least 2 inputs are 1. 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 Then your output expression is majority function AB plus BC plus AC. Option A is correct. Next workbook question number 19. Function is given of two variables x and y. Function value is given as, for these three combination function value is 1, for this combination function value is 0. You have to implement you have to implement the function f using 2 input NOR gates and 2 input OR gates. Each gate costs 1 unit. You have to find the total cost in number of units. See, if you are comfortable in both SOP and POS, you can target finding a POS expression is easy because you have only 1 0 in the output function. Since you have only 1 0 in the output function, it is easy to find the POS expression. So this combination 1 0. In POS, you should know we have max terms or sum terms. POS corresponds to max terms or sum terms, and 1 corresponds to complemented variable. 1 corresponds to complemented variable. So this expression f in POS format is x complement plus y. This is x complement plus y, this combination. And it is very easy to implement x complement plus y. 1 NOR gate is required to convert x to x complement, and then 1 OR gate is required, and then 1 OR gate is required to add it. So this will give you x complement plus y. So the total cost is 2 units. So the total cost is 2 units. Answer is 2. You can also go by POS format. That will take some more time to solve because you will have to minimize it. There is an option to go in SOP also, but you will have to minimize it. So see, 0, 0 will give you x complement y complement. 0, 1 will give you x complement y. 1, 1 will give you xy. So if you will see this one, both these terms you can minimize x complement. You can take x complement common. You can take x complement common, this will become xy. Now using distributive law, this will be equal to x complement plus y. So any way you go, if you go by SOP, then also you will get x complement plus y. If you will go by POS, then also you will get x complement plus y. But the difference is that by going with POS, you will get in a single step. In SOP, you will have to minimize it. So obviously for this question, POS is better because we have only 1 0. So all these things, if you will take care, you can save lot of time in your GATE exam. Answer is 2. Question number 20 of your workbook. This function is given to you, you have to minimize the function. So now let us try to minimize this function. If I will notice first two terms, I can take a complement, c complement common, and b plus b complement will become 1. In the same way, you can notice I can take a dot c complement common. I can take a dot c complement common, so I will get b complement plus b, that is equal to 1, plus a, b, c. Again I can take c complement common, so a complement plus a will give me 1. So answer is c complement plus abc. Option D is correct. Most of the students did the same, but your answer is incorrect. If you have marked c complement plus abc, your answer is incorrect. And many students in this GATE exam did the same mistake. If you read the question properly, it is asked product of sum form. Is it product of sum? No. See, this is your product term. Means it is in the SOP format. Minimized expression is correct. Minimized expression is correct, but this is in SOP format. But what is asked to you, you have to find the minimized POS format. This thing you have to take care. These types of things you have to take care in your GATE exam. Many students make this silly mistake in their GATE exams. So now after this step, you can use your distributive law, c complement plus a, c complement plus b, c complement plus c. Just you have to distribute a, b and c. So obviously c complement plus c will give you 1. So the answer is a plus c complement, b plus c complement. So now let us see, yes, it is given in the option A. So option D is not correct, option A is the correct answer. So these types of things you have to take care in your GATE exam. Workbook question number 21. A function is given in the form of max term numbers. You have to implement it using only 2 input gates. Some options are given to you. So let us try to find the expression, then we can decide which gates we need to implement. So function is min terms 0, 5. First step, write down this 0, 5 in binary. First step is to write down in binary. Then to convert it to variables p, q, r. Now in max terms or POS, you should remember 0 corresponds to normal variable. So this would become p plus q plus r and p complement plus q plus r complement. Then you can use distributive law. Q is common and rest of the terms are distributed. So this would be equal to the common, that is q, plus the terms which are distributed, you have to merge them. So from the first expression it is p plus r, next one it is p complement plus r complement. Now seeing this expression, you should be able to write down in a single step, it is p XOR r, it is XOR operation. If you remember in the discussion of SOP and POS, I have also shown you what is the POS expression for XOR. This is the POS expression for XOR. So, and in any case, if you don't remember, then also in a single step you can solve. See, p dot p complement will cancel out. So I will get p dot r complement plus r dot p complement. So this will become p XOR r. So first I will implement this using XOR gate, and then output will be given to OR gate. So the two gates required are XOR gate and OR gate. XOR gate and OR gate, option D is correct. So this expression you should know, this is POS expression for XOR operation. And then the most important law, I am again and again saying, distributive law is the most important law of Boolean algebra. Final answer is option D. Workbook question number 22. Again, an expression is given. You have to find the minimal SOP format. 4 options are given to you. See, in this expression, I can take Q common. So, P plus P complement R plus P complement R complement S. Again and again I am saying distributive law will be the most important tool for you. Now, if I apply distributive law only in these 2 terms, it means I have to distribute P complement and R. I have to distribute P complement and R with P. So, this would become P plus P complement P plus R. See, I am writing all these steps just to explain you, otherwise in exam these many number of steps are not required. It means it would become P plus R plus P complement R complement S. So in exam this step will not be required. You should directly be able to write this step. Again, P plus this term you can apply distributive, either R plus this term you can apply distributive. So this would become P plus, let us say I apply distributive in this law. So this would become R plus R complement R plus P complement S. Again I am writing few steps just to explain you, otherwise this R plus R complement is not mandatory. In exam you should not need to write this step. You should not need to write this step. So this will become R plus P complement S. Now use distributive law in these 2 terms, P plus P complement S. So now at least you have a practice. So this at least one step I want to write in a single step. So see, P plus P complement will be 1. So this will become P plus S plus R. P plus P complement is 1. So that step I have skipped for you. So just try to learn how to solve using minimum number of steps. Some calculations should be done in your mind, not in pen and paper. So now last step, QP plus QS plus QR. This must be present in one of the options. This is the correct answer. Workbook question number 23. P, Q, R are the Boolean variables. Then expression is given to you. You have to simplify it. So in this particular question, it seems that if I simply try to open the brackets, it would become quite simple for me. So just let me write down the question again. P plus Q complement, PQ complement plus PR, P complement, R complement plus Q complement. So just I am trying to use distributive law, simply multiply. So P dot Q will become PQ complement, P dot R will become PR plus Q complement dot PQ complement will become PQ complement. This would become PQ complement R. Now I will multiply second term also. I mean this last term. I will multiply the last term also. So P dot P complement will cancel out. It would become P dot Q complement. P dot P complement will again cancel out. So it would become P Q complement R. P dot P complement will again cancel out. So this is P dot Q complement. P dot P complement will again cancel out. So this would become P Q complement R. If you can see, I can take P Q complement common. If you can see, I can take P Q complement common. 1 plus R plus 1 plus R. So your answer will be simply P Q complement. Option A is given, P Q complement. So rather than thinking of something different in this question, it was easy to simply open the brackets and multiply and use distributive law. So in a very short time and in very 2 or 3 steps, you will get the answer P dot Q complement.